Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you how to access hidden developer menu of screenshots and screen recordings of Samsung smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So first let's just open the settings and just scroll down below. Now you'll see here advanced features, just click on it. Now you'll see here screenshots and screen recordings option, just click on it. Now just scroll down below. Now you'll see here about Samsung Capture, just tap on it. Now keep tapping on this portion until you enable the developer menu. So you can see here the developer menu. So you can see tons of options. So this option is hidden by default. So in order to enable it, you can try these cool tricks. So here you can see tons of different options which you can try if you want to try those options present inside this developer menu. So I'm not going through all the options provided inside this developer menu options. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily enable hidden developer menu of screenshots and screen recordings of Samsung smartphones very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.